Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the ear pads. So here you can see this headphone I have got. So you can see sometimes we see this kind of small particles which are from this pad. You can see some material is being dropped from this pads. This is quite annoying. You have to always keep cleaning your desk. So to fix this problem, we need to get some cloth, like, let me show you. So here you can see I, I got this cloth, small cloth, a small piece of cloth, and one more too. And we also need some rubber bands like this, small rubber band too. So bit, and you can see this pad. Sometimes this pad is damaged too much, so you might have thrown this away. So you need to make new pad. You can use this kind of what we say sponge to make new pad out of this sponge. You just need to cut it according to size of your earphones. I mean headphones. So let's begin. So here I am not gonna make those pads because I already have my pads. So now let's take this cloth and put it on our ear pads and cover it, and simply you just need to put this rubber band around it. That's it, nothing much to do guys. You simply put this rubber band around your headphones, and now you can see. So you can stretch it, like you can make it even like this. You can stretch the cloth, so you can see you get a plain surface, and whatever the small particles, I mean the material from the ear pads, it will be inside this. It will fall inside this. It won't means trouble your desk. Your desk will be clean, and just whenever you need to clean this cloth, you just remove this. You just have to remove this rubber and clean this cloth. You can wash it and put it back again. Similarly we will do for this another side. And put this rubber. You need to make sure that it is covered from all the sides. You can stretch the cloth, so you get the clear surface like this. So here you can see we are completely fixie, so you cannot, means it will be comfortable to wear this, and those particles, those small particles from your ear pads won't stick to your ears. So this was a small tutorial, or a fix I would say, for your earpads. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.